Uh, yeah, toi fa talo fatu le nei tai au I le sopo mai o lau tau soifua ma sio nei o la fa tau vaa I le anga le lei o le sidi ese fa talo fatu foi le uso ia Judy ia boe ma Judy e fa pel to fini ia tio mai ia to via le fefe lo uso wa mai ma lo lava le soifua talo fatu yo anti o tau te e ma tarrant tafawata ma lo le soifu manuia ia o le taiao le nei o le a tatou talanoaina ia le tala ia Fe'epo ma le Leatiogie ona e tele lava alanga upu e mo mai ai I le tala I le tamale ma lona tali. This morning we'll be talking about Malote for Julieta, Peter Esera, Sia Fainuu, Silulu as Senga Timo, Meki Sia Fenga, Malama Talaifanga, Malolava le Soifua. This morning we're going to be talking about Fe'epo and Leatiogie. Fe'epo and Leatiogie, because a lot of our proverbs and sayings come from that story. Many of you may not be aware, so I'm going to tell the story of Leatiogie and his father, Fe'epo. The reason why this came up, Auntie Jenny last night asked if tapua'inga is not worship. The reason why this relates to that is because ole tapua'inga, or the support, where tapua'inga is also support. Ole tapua'inga a Fe'epo ili ta'alonga alona tali, or his support from home of his son who went to the games in Samoa. There were 3 games that our brave warriors played. No, they didn't fight. They played these games, Amouta, Amotai, and Momoa. Those were the 3 different places where these games were played. E tolu ia mea sa fai ta'alonga nei o Amouta, Amotai, ma Momoa. Amata mai lale amatanga. We're going to start from the beginning, like every story should. So, Fe'epo was an elderly old man who hailed from the line of kings. O Fe'epo o se tasi o tamau matua, ma ua o io se tasi e tupunga mai I le ngafa tau tupu. So he and his son lived in Fonga, in Fale'ula. Yeah, o te lo foi la le la, to tele la Fale'ula le mita mai leanga o le tamai sa vai Fale'ula. Yeah, tele foi tala Samoa. Many a Samoan story and of brave warriors comes from the village of Fale'ula. Similar to the story of the brothers who chased out the Tongans in Samoa. So, one day, while the boy fed his made food for his father, he talked to his dad, and he told his dad that he wanted to go and to challenge or to play in these the Warriors games. And so his father blessed him, and these were his words. Au mailo tua ya eliuvai. Ia pōri uri lo tino a ia malamalamo mata, ma ia tafe toto wala. Au mailo tua ya eliuvai. Ia pōri uri lo tino a malamalamo mata, ma ia tafe toto wala. When you turn your back, may your feet be swift. May your body be darkened in the shadows, and may your eyes be clear as day. And may your pathway be covered in blood. Now these were blessings. These were blessings pertaining to the games that he was about to encounter. So, when he left his father to go and play, so that's the first one. That is our first alanga upu today. Au mailo tua ia eli uvai, ia poli uli lo tino malam lamo mata, ia tafe toto wala. Okay, that's the first one. And the next one, ina ua. So when the games first start in Amouta. Amouta is further inland. And the game would be Seunga Manu or Seunga Manuali. And so when they would catch when it came time to catch the Manuali, there was a rule, Salifulu. salefulu. Salefulu means no feather. So the rule was when you catch le Mea-Uli, or this small bird, you weren't allowed it wasn't allowed for a feather to fall off when you caught it. So all these young men, these brave warriors, came to play, and if a feather fell from the bird that you caught, you'd be disqualified. And those who were able to complete the task without dropping a feather from the bird, they went on to amotai. And amotai is the game of the sea. Is a fishing game, and they would fish for the ava. If amotai naile ava, and the rule for amotai would be saleuna, or no scales. So when you would catch the ava, you weren't allowed to drop a scale, the scale of the fish. Esalan apu ele ava. Esa ona pau ya seuna, mafuangala na leuna. Umale amotai. After amotai, some men were disqualified. Amota, after amotai, some men were disqualified. And on this particular day, there were 2 men left. There was Salivao Ngongo, who was from the village of Falefa, whose father was Leutele. And there was Leatiogie, the son of Fe'epo from Funga'i Faleula. Yaila lesi muangangana, but lesi alanga upu atato. Lesi alanga upu. There's another saying that comes from this game, and it says, Fai foi ole amouta, ai ole amotai. Ai ole toeaso nai momoa. Not only is there the amouta, but there's also the amotai. Lastly, there is the last day in Moamoa. Fa kepto ifo em fa mole le ngole ngole ngu. Fa kepto ifo ngu disek. Amouta capital A, amotai capital A, momoa capital M. Yeah. Oh, so the last day would be in Momoa. Leaso mun muli po le toyaso de Momoa, o le ta'alonga sa faya I le uru lapa. And they would use the heavy end of the head part of the palm frond, and that was their clubs, and they would try to hit each other off of a beam. Yeah. So when down to the last 2. When it came came down to the last 2. And the last 2 were Salivao Ngongo and Leatiogie. And after this game, Leatiogie became victorious. He became victorious, and he wrapped up. Because he was victorious, his father heard of his win, of his victorious win. And another Samoan phrase comes, "Inafo ina wa mawatala ya Fe'epo wa manu malo Leatiogie mo elista to alanga bufumai wa pati ta oto le Fe'epo." Or because due to his old age, Fe'epo was bedridden, and so instead of celebrating, jumping up and down, he clapped. He clapped happily that his son was victorious. So wapati ta oto le Fe'epo is another muangangan or alanga upu, and that is I'll go over each alanga upu after the story. Umalon pati ta oto Fe'epo, after Fe'epo pati ta oto, or clapped in his bed. His son Leatiogie wrapped up his clubs. He wrapped up his clubs, or sai lapa ona moli la ia. O la au ifo ngā. Moli la au ifo ngā. Wa toe ave la au ilonta ma. Le safa manuia mai yate hia. Moli la au ifo ngā. So, that was the last one. To take the war clubs back to Fonga, to his father, who was waiting for word on his son and how he was. So, let's go back to the beginning of our story, where we heard the phrase "Au mai lo tua e leo vai, e pōri uli lo tino malamalama o mata, ia tafe toto wala." This is a phrase given, or this is a saying given as a blessing to someone who's about to go or traverse somewhere, whether they've gotten a new job, or whether they are traveling for school, whatever reason it may be, this is a blessing that you can give them. This is a blessing you can give them. Secondly, we talked about leisi fai o le amuta, fai foi, fai o le amuta, ai o le amutai, ai o le toiaso foi nai momoa. Yeah, it's this is likened to when there are so many things to do, and or so many events happening, and then the last event is the epitome, or the crowning glory. So that would be where that phrase would fit. There are many things that happen, but the last day is the crowning glory. Okay. The third one today is Pati Ta'oto le Fe'epo. Pati Ta'oto le Fe'epo, or Fe'epo clapped while laying down. This is a phrase given to someone who's supported when you are supporting a task and it's completed in victory. Then you can say Wapati Ta'oto le Fe'epo, or your support has now been rewarded. All you can do is clap in thanks. Yeah. Last one. Moli moli la au ifonga. Moli moli la au ifonga. This is given to when we say we are going to give praises or glory to God. Or usually it is heard when we are talking about first starting a program or event. Or we give the glory, or we give thanks and glory to where it's due, or to God. Yeah. Otato, that's our discussion this morning. Those are our 4 proverbs and sayings. I hope it was very informative. I hope I have not confused anyone. And again, if there are any questions, please put them in the comment section, and we'll try to answer them tonight during our Gamey Chill. Please, again, tune in tonight, 7 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time, where we'll be discussing history. All right? Fa'afetai fa'atasimai, fa'amangalo au na vai pe au se, tulita mai tatu proklame na nei le fitu a ye fsili fa'atau I le mata upu pe on tala noina. Ya on tatou fa'asoa ila ia na nei I le tatou ke michio. Au na nei le fitu e fai tatou talanoanga I tala fa'asolpito, ya tarusia ia tatou ia uma. All right, but I'll terminate for now. You folks have a blessed day. Enjoy your lunch. Soifua ma ia manuia.